Feeling like there's never enough time in the day? What if I told you that AI could save you over 10 hours every week, starting now? Stick around as we reveal the top 5 AI tools that are changing the game. Number 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI. From writing content, debugging code, to summarizing complex topics, this tool is your all-in-one AI assistant. Say goodbye to writer's block and repetitive research. Time saved, 2 to 4 hours per week. Number 2, Notion AI. Whether it's organizing your thoughts, generating meeting notes, or managing projects, this tool keeps your brain organized and your day flowing. Type less, think more.
Number 3, Grammarly Go. It's not just grammar, it rewrites your emails, improves tone, and helps you sound smarter instantly. Perfect for busy professionals.
The basics. Grammarly catches grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and punctuation issues. It's like having an English teacher in your pocket 24/7, making sure you never mix up there and there again. Grammarly offers suggestions on formality, passive voice, and readability, so you can adjust your tone depending on who you're writing for. From fixing typos to leveling up your writing style, Grammarly isn't just a spell checker. It's your all-in-one writing assistant. Try it out and see how much better your writing can be. And for teams or businesses, Grammarly offers tools like style guides, brand tones, and centralized communication improvements, keeping everything consistent. Students will find this very helpful if they got any essays, that is. Your intelligent assistant that doesn't just think. It learns, evolves, and adapts to you. Hate making presentations? Let Tome create professional slide decks in seconds. Just type your topic and it does the magic. Here are the top 5 things Tom AI can do to change your life. Write your content, your personal organizer. Voice commands. Learn anything. Creative generator. For more detailed version of Tom AI, this channel should get 15 subscribe. Later, I will show you how it helped me with an essay. Number 5, Firefly's AI. This meeting assistant joins your calls, takes notes, and delivers highlights. You can finally focus on the conversation, not the notepad. 1. Fireflies.ai joins your calls automatically. Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, it records everything without lifting a finger. 2. No more who said what. It gives you real-time transcripts with speaker names and timestamps. 3. Missed a key point? Just search the transcript like Google. Yup, even keywords like deadline or budget. 4. Fireflies pulls out action items, decisions, and questions. It's like a highlight reel, but smarter. 5. Bonus. It connects to Slack, Notion, Trello, and CRMs. So tasks go from talk, tool, without you doing anything. 6. Result? You save 5+ hours a week. No note-taking, no rewinding recordings. Just clarity. Let's first recap a little. 1. ChatGPT from OpenAI. 2. Notion AI. 3. Grammarly Go. 4. Tom AI. 5. Fireflies AI. In the future video, I will be explaining each one of them in details, but first, the channel should get 15 subscribe. So see you then!